Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This customer had apparently fixed their taillights by themselves, but came in after failing an inspection. Customer states, car has a funky smell, please advise. And this car came in right on time, and it definitely looks like silver grade anise coming out. I know what's wrong with it ain't got no gas in it. Huh, that's a first. Customer states, my tire pressure light keeps turning on and off. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Customer states, my car handles really badly. And this customer had just bought this car a while back and came in to have some wiring work done when the mechanic noticed this. This car was apparently purchased from a rental company, and the owner came in because the bulb warning light kept coming on. Customer states, I think I'm missing some parts. And this 2016 Isuzu rolled in because of an electrical issue. Customer states, there's a clunking noise coming from my wheels. Please advise. This truck came in after a rim exploded, destroying 2 tires, the wheel hub, shock absorber, brake booster chamber, and the air suspension. Hopefully this guy has some good insurance. And this truck came in right on time to get its wheel fixed. Customer states, Martins keep invading my engine bay. Please help. And this customer came in after having done some work on the exhaust all by himself. And apparently, this manual transmission was born as an automatic, but can't help but feel like a manual. The owner of this car came in complaining about their car pulling to the left. Customer states, something's wrong with my clutch, please advise. It's probably fine. Customer states, car keeps clunking, please advise. The owner later confessed to having driven through wet concrete a few days before coming into the shop.
Yeah, not today. Not today.
This ProMaster cargo van came in because the customer complained about an oil leak. The mechanics found the engine to be completely locked up. Customer states, can't unlock my car, please help. This car came in for a regular checkup when the mechanic discovered it had some pretty unique styling done to it. The owner of this car came in with no power steering after having installed a new steering rack at another shop. The mechanic discovered that the steering lines were resting against the subframe, CV axle and the serpentine belt. Customer states, "My window won't roll down." This customer came in complaining about poor braking power. Oh yeah, that's still good for a couple more miles, no problem. And this customer came in complaining about a loud exhaust noise. The mechanic thought it was strange since the car had no muffler or resonator. The mechanic opened the hood and noticed this. Also, the engine was overfilled by 5 quarts. And this is what happens when you let your buddy that knows a little this, little that, do some electrical work on your car. And sometimes, it's not only oil that comes out.
That's excellent. 2,000 years later.
And this is actually a feature so that you don't accidentally get out of your truck while it's not in park and rolling. This car came in for a quick oil and filter change, but when the technicians removed the drain plug, no oil came out. Apparently, the last oil change was 52,000 miles ago. And this customer taped their tire because, well, it was leaking. And this customer states, "My car doesn't accelerate as it should." Customer states, "My car keeps going into limp mode." Apparently, the car had the AdBlue injector doser module replaced at another shop and they had damaged the AdBlue line in the process. Gotta love American cars. Now looky what we have here. Apparently, this chicken had wanted to hitch a free ride to town. It ended up being completely fine and was returned home afterwards. Customer states, "Was driving on sand, floored it until I came onto pavement and then heard a loud bang from the rear and my car suddenly stopped moving." If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.